Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Lingappa, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Data Science at Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. So now I'm going to explain software characteristics and evolving role of software. Means previous class I explained what is software, what is engineering, and what is software engineering. So continuation of to that, characteristics of software and evolving role of software means what are the characters softwares are having, and at the same time how software is evolving in different sectors. So now I'm going to explain to that. Suppose if you can take any one person or known people, or like any stars, like any hero or Chiranjeevi or any Pawan Kalyan or else some Mahesh Babu, like that. If you are telling, can you say characteristics of about them means you are going to define something. Okay, he is a good person, he is good actor, he is serving to the society, he is doing some social activities towards the society or people. Like some characteristics you can say. We are going to tell about to them. But same thing, software also having some characteristics, and it evolves in different sectors. So now here you can see characteristics of software means one is an intangible characteristics. Software is have intangible characteristics. Intangible means you can't touch, you can't sense it. Because it is in software available as like program or data or else documentation. Here software available in this form only, so that you can't touch or you can't hold physically, but you can hold physically through any one electronic device. That is possible. But if you want to sense any software, it is not possible, because it isn't available in form of programs, data or documentation. So this is one characteristics of software. And second one, software designed or developed by engineers, not manufactured. Software is designed and developed by engineers, not for manufacture. But here you can see one software, if you are developing, you can utilize, you can copy it n number of devices. Wherever you want, you can copy it free of cost. So this is one characteristics of software. Means next to go for software does not wear out. How means, suppose you can purchase any hardware component or any product at some age of time, it will get worse or wear out. But here software does not wear out. But whereas software needs to update, otherwise it will become outdated software. Means software must requires updates as per user convenient or users need or societal needs. Based on that, software needs to do some updates. That is one thing. Next go for software is highly complex. Means, suppose you can take any application, banking sector application or any e-commerce application, either Flipkart or any banking application, you can take it. So how many tasks per minute, per second, per day users they are going to do, like how many peoples they are going to use. Suppose 10 crore people or 10,000 crore peoples or 100 crore people or 50 crore or 10 crores. So these many people are trying to use that application. So how much you need to develop one software. So for that, developers they are going to write n number of programs. Each program requires lines of code, means like millions of lines of code developer has to write to develop one software application. Developers has to write one software application. Here you can see, suppose you can take to interact numerous components. Why these many lines of programs need to write means, suppose you want to perform one task, for that one program is required. Like n number of tasks we are going to perform using one application, so that it requires millions of code to write number of programs. Then it will become one software. This software is going to utilize n number of users in different components. So here I will give some examples, real-time examples. So banking systems, airline reservation system, and social media platforms. Let's take one example. Banking system is any one bank application, you can take it. How many users per second or per minute or per day they are going to use? So here n number of users they are going to hit that application to do some task, either transaction or either checking balance or either creating account, or else you are checking statement. Like they are doing n number of tasks by different customers or different users. So here for this purpose required n number of programs, then only it will become software, then only it will become application. Next, go for software is easy to modify but difficult to maintain. Software easy to modify but difficult to modify. How you can say it is easy to modify means, as per user convenience or customer requirements, if you want to change any code, you can change it through help of developers or programmers. You can change it, it will become modifying the code. Then you can say modify the code. But here difficult to maintain. How you can say difficult to maintain means, whenever you are going to develop an application, whenever you are going to develop or design application, developers or designers, they must design and develop in effective way and corrective way and proper way and in efficient way. Then after no need for heavy maintenance, means fixing the bugs. If any errors will come, again developers, company people, they used to call to developers to fix those bugs whatever arise. Like number of times if you are raising these kind of bugs, it will become maintenance cost high rather than developing that application. So instead of this maintenance cost, better to design, develop in effective way. Then it will be reduce some maintenance cost. So this is one software characteristics. And continuous evolving. So softwares evolving continuously, because in olden days lines of program is there, but small application they are developed. Now this evolving in different sectors. All sectors nowadays they are using softwares. Now you can see software is regularly update to add features, improve security and fix defects. Means add features and improve security to fix bugs. It is required, because then only software changing the role in different sectors also. And next go for, so what is an example of means regular updates of Android, Windows and web browsers. Suppose you are using Windows operating system. So every year or every semester or every quartile they are giving some updates, or else after 3 years or else after 4 years they can give some updates. When you are accepting in your system, then it will be updating new features along with existing features. Means this is a continuous evolving required for software. This is one characteristics. And next, customized or generic. Suppose software you want in customized way, then it will be developed. If you are giving your requirements to the developers, they can develop one application in customized way, whatever way you want, for what purpose you want. Or generic way means, suppose we are using Windows operating system. So this is common to all users. Means like these kind of softwares also available. And specific means, customized means, For what purpose you are going to develop? Suppose Flipkart or Amazon or Zomato. These three applications are designed and developed for a specific purpose. Zomato means for delivering food purpose, and Flipkart and Amazon is an e-commerce applications to deliver some electronic products or clothes or etc. Whatever they are included in the in particular application. So like customized way also you can develop software, or generic way also you can develop software. So this is one characteristics of software. And next, requires maintenance. So this is mandatory to maintenance to the software. Means most of the software lifecycle cost spent on maintenance rather than initial development. That's why we are telling initial days, whatever you are going to develop or design, you need to give better way. You need to give good design, good software to develop in effective way. Then later on might be reduce maintenance cost. So types of maintenance includes corrective, adaptive, perfective, and preventive. Corrective means if develop the software initial days, if you are correct way, then no need to do again same thing. So better to design and develop initial days whenever you are going to develop. Whenever you are going to develop, that is a good thing. This is requires maintenance. Characteristics of softwares. And next go for evolving role of software. Means how software is playing a role in different sectors. How it is evolved. Initial days software act as an one tool, or it is an one tool. But nowadays software is driving the force behind the sectors, behind industrial sectors. So now you can see how many sectors are there. Business automation is in one sector, and next communication is in one sector, and next healthcare is in one sector, education is in one sector, and next go for banking and finance, one sector, and next artificial intelligence, next internet of things and cloud computing, next go for entertainment, and then scientific and research, and then cyber security and smart cities and industries examples. So like this software is evolving a role in different industries. It is playing in different industries. It's playing a role in different industries. And next go for business automation. Business automation means automates routine business operations. Automates routine business operations. So let's take some supermarkets. Whatever supermarkets are computerized based bill supermarkets, well-known supermarkets, you can take it. Either DMart or Vijeta or Ratnadeep supermarkets are there. But in those supermarkets, how they are billing your products. How they are billing your products means, here you can see whatever product you want, billers, they are going to scan your product and system will generate bill report. System will generate bill report after scanning, like n number of products you are taking. Suppose 50 products you are taking. So 50 products you can scan it and then it will generate one bill. That is nothing but computerized bill. Computerized bill means here automation of the works. If suppose every time owners, they can't monitor, they can't check each and every product whether it is sold or not, but whatever information they are stored in supermarket, how many products they are stored in the supermarket, how many products are sold, how many products are damaged, how many products are returned, but all these kind of information they are going to store in one database through one software. So in business operations also, some softwares required for automation of their routine task, their routine business operations. So here software plays major role. And next go for communication. So communication means enables instant global communication. Suppose you want to communicate with one company people, or else if you want to communicate with your friend or any person or any delegates. So what kind of platforms you are going to use to communicate with them? Suppose you want to communicate mail, go for mail, or else if you want to communicate with through call, make a call to them. That is one application of software, or else if you want to connect video call, or else in Google Meet, or any kind of software applications are there that you can use and communicate with them. There also software playing communication major role for communication. So this is one way for a messaging application. Suppose you want to communicate with them through message, you can use messenger applications. So now Telegram is there, WhatsApp or messenger application. So many applications are there. So these applications are provide platform to communicate to people, one to one person. So this is an software. So here you call it as this is one software. So software is playing major role in communication also. And next, healthcare sector. So how software plays major role in healthcare sector, how this software is evolving in healthcare sector also. Next, enables supports diagnosis in healthcare sectors, supports diagnosis and patient management, telemedicine and medical imaging. See, medical imaging. Some examples are there for this healthcare sector: hospital management system and AI-assisted disease detection. In healthcare, supports diagnosis. How these softwares are supports diagnosis? Suppose you can take any equipment in hospitals. Any equipment you can take, it will be designed and developed with embedded system. Means hardware and software components included in any medical devices. Most of the devices are designed and developed hardware components and software components. So their software diagnose the patient status or health condition with the help of some machines. So there also software plays major role and evolving in this way. And next, patient management. Patient management means, suppose one patient wants to take appointment at their preferable time, or else based on doctor's availability time. So how they can get appointment instead of traveling from their home to hospital, it takes a lot of time to get appointment. Instead of that, if suppose doctor is not available, then their time and effort is total goes waste. So instead of that, if you are providing any application for booking appointment as preferred doctor, then it will be easy and then users convenient also, and doctors also they felt happy and okay, so and so patients are coming. So this is an patient records. You are going to maintain patient records and information through software applications. And next, telemedicine. Telemedicine is nothing but, suppose you are making a call, you are giving some order medicine, they will send that medicine to the particular deliver person. How you are making or getting telemedicine? Either in one application or any calls or any platform required. So through software. And next, medical imaging. So medical imaging means, suppose you can take MRI scanning and positron emission scanning missions are there. They are doing some scanning. That report will send to the radiologist. They are decided what, where, how much affected, and what is the problem. Like they are going to analyze and they will give report and they will send to the doctors. So doctors they can suggest medicine. So here medical imaging sector also software requires to analyze and generate reports of patient. So this is like in healthcare sectors software plays role. And next, education sector. You can take education sector. So in the education sector, how it plays means facilitates online learning and digital classrooms. Software can facilitate online learning and digital classrooms. Now I can take some examples: learning management system and virtual labs and online examination. So this an education sector means learning management system. Suppose students attendance we are going to take Anvaya portal or else any LMS portal, you can use it and manage students database, or else you can take some Google Classrooms, or else you can take online classes with the help of Google Meet application or Zoom application or some any available platforms. So here in software plays major role in education sector also, like maintaining database of students, and there you are going to conduct examination through online system based test, or else you can take a class, online classrooms through Google Meet. Here also plays a role in educational sector like software. And next, banking and finance. So in banking sectors and finance sector, how software plays or how software is evolving in this banking and finance sector also. So enables secure online banking, digital payments, and fraud detections. So here we are going to use UPI and internet banking, mobile banking applications. Through these UPI applications, you can make transactions with secured and avoid some fraud detection, because these all applications were developed highly secured and convenient way. They are developed so you can use these applications to make some transactions, to make your digital payments through these UPI applications. And then if any mobile banking applications or internet banking is there, so internet banking or mobile application also, their security, they are providing security and convenient, made some transactions, user they can make some transactions. So they here also, like in this way, software is plays major role, banking and finance sectors. And artificial intelligence, so powers intelligent decision making and automation. So powers decision making and automation means, suppose some examples you can take it: chatbots, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. Nowadays some vehicles are driverless vehicles are there. How these cars are driving automatically without driver, because their automation, like they developed automation, entire roads information or driving instructions, they are stored in one software. Based on that, your vehicle will be moving forward, like it is an automation of system. So there also you are using software. And next, internet of things. So connects and control smart device through software. Internet of things is nothing but connects and control smart devices through internet. Suppose some places, wherever you can go for any 5-star hotels or anywhere, if you open the door, automatically lights switch on, and after closing the doors, automatically turn off. So how these things will happen means, they are using internet of things. Based on sensing or based on moving objects, lights were switch on and turn off. So like you can use anywhere. So see here also software is placed evolving in this role, in this sector also, internet of things. And next, cloud computing. So cloud computing means provides a software and service over the internets. But cloud computing is provides softwares and service through internet only. If internet is not there, it can't provide any service or softwares. Service or software. For that example, Google Drives you can take, Microsoft 365 application, and then Dropbox. So these applications you can use over the internet based. So this is nothing but cloud computing sector. And next, go for entertainment. Entertainment means delivers digital media and interactive experience. For that examples, OTT platforms, online gaming, and music streaming. I will tell you one example. In olden days, in theater, you are going to release movie. How you are going to release? They are sending one reel in one box, before one day releasing of the movie. Means one day they are sending that reel into the box through decided transport. But nowadays movies are releasing through satellite based on their location, slot, and movie name. So simple, one click, it will be play in all locations at the same time or different times. So they are maintaining their software. Satellite is nothing but they are maintaining software. so that they are playing movies through use of these kind of software applications. Because of this, you are reducing transport cost and operators cost, and effectively and on time you are going to play the movie when you are going to use this kind of software platforms. And OTT platform is there. So you are going to release movies in theater, then after they are releasing in OTT platform also. So this OTT platform is nothing but one software application. And next, online gaming and music streaming applications also there. Means software is evolving in entertainment sector also. In form of different applications, different names. And scientific research. In research area also, there you are going to use software for analyzing the data, or for understanding the data, or storing the different kinds of data in one application. That is nothing but space research related or weather forecasting. Suppose weather forecasting data you had based on sensors or collected some data and forecasting weather forecasting. There you are going to telecast that information through media. So and so location rainfall will happen, moderate or danger or yellow, like some red alerts you are going to give. How these prior information you are going to collect means there some software application we are using to collect the information, then after you are circulate that information through telecast through media or SMS through SMS alerts. So here see, all places software is playing major roles. Through SMS means messaging application is in one software. Through telecom means there one software is streaming video. Like software is playing a role in scientific research also. Next, cyber security. So protects system, networks, data from cyber threats. So cyber security means it will be there. There you need to provide or protect from security and theft, and threats. So there, for what kind of applications software you are going to develop means antivirus software and firewalls and intrusion detection system. If you are installing antivirus applications in your device, either might be laptop or mobile phone, then you will be protect your data from attackers, from cyber threats. Next, smart cities and industry 4.0. So enables intelligent transportation, manufacturing automation, and energy management. Some examples for these smart cities: smart traffic system and industrial robots and smart grids. Smart traffic system means, so now you can see traffic lights are there. Sometimes they will put in manual, sometimes they will put in automatic way. Means when they want to manual, they want to do means whenever high traffic is there, at the time they want to control, they will do traffic signals in manual. Otherwise, normal timings, peak hours, they are doing manual. Normal hours, they will left them automatic signals. That is the traffic signals. So there also some software is required to automatically switch on or turn off red light, or turn off green light, turn off orange light, based on automation of fixed time intervals. So like here I am going to provide some real-time examples for the students in different sectors. What are the applications you are going to use and what are the benefits of those applications. In education sector, Google Classroom is one software. So what is the benefit of this one? Online learning and assignments you can submit or you can attend in the classes in education sector. And banking sectors, you can take PhonePe or Google Pay applications are there. Through that application, what you are going to do? Pay it online transaction or digital payments. And then take healthcare sectors, hospital management system. What is the benefit of this hospital management system? Means there you are going to manage entire hospital information or patient information or doctor's information or etc. things you are going to manage through this hospital management system. And next, shopping is Amazon or Flipkart is there. What you are going to do these applications, you can place order whatever product you want. Means you are doing shopping using this application. And next, transportation, Uber or Ola is there. There you are going to use for ride bookings. Ride booking means you want to travel from one location to another location, so you need some vehicle. So some Uber and Ola software applications are there. Through that, you can book a ride, then you can go for one place to another location. So this is a benefit of these applications. The next, social media sector, you can take Instagram and WhatsApp. Like, so many applications are there, social media platforms. Through these platforms, you can communicate and maintain networkings. Communicates and maintain networking. And next, entertainment is there. So Netflix and YouTube, you can play this video streamings using these platforms. And next, navigation. Here, Google Maps is one software. Then you can go for route planning and traffic updates. You will get route planning and traffic updates. These are the real-time examples for software is evolving in different sectors and different role, and then benefits of those applications. Next, key takeaway of these characteristics of software and evolving role of software. So characteristics of software is nothing but it is an intangible, and software is designed and developed by engineer, not manufacturing. And software does not wear out, and software is complex. Software is easy to modify, and software requires continuously evolving, and software having customizable characteristics and maintenance and intensive. These all are the characteristics of software. And evolving role of software means software has progressed from simple data processing to become backbone of business, healthcare sector and education sector, banking, AI, internet, cybersecurity and smart technologies, and making it as an essential part of modern lifestyle. So these are the characteristics and evolving role of software. Thank you.